All right, folks. Right now, I received my new AirPods Pro 3, Generation 3. Today's June 13th, 2026, and just got them at the door just a few minutes ago. I'm just trying to do a quick unboxing of the product. So far, it looks pretty nice. Not nothing major to deal with when it comes to the actual product. It's just the regular box, typical of Apple. And quick little symbol of it here. So I basically had the AirPods Pro 2 for about 4 or 5 years, and I have a pair of 2 of them, and they've been pretty good to me over the years, and I haven't had a pair of AirPods in a while. I discarded the old pair because they got worn out. They started making some static sounds after dropping them a bunch of times, and so on and so forth. Well, anyway, no further ado, let me just open this up so I can check them out for myself. I'm just gonna crack this open here. Crack this open right here. Boom. Shazam. You can see instructions are right there, warning, and so on. Anyway, let me just do a quick opening unboxing. Of course, you get all the stickers and regular information about the AirPods Pro. Here, instruction guide and so on. You can always get that online, YouTube, over the phone, video, or even the Apple website. So here they are, guys. It's a good sterile box so far. I'll lift them out of here. As you can see, these are the headphones themselves with the case. Put them right here on the side, and here you have the new set of tips we gave you. And let's see, QR code, and this is the actual case of headset tips. Pretty good stuff, man. Pretty good. So far, so good. Anyway, I'm just gonna close out on this video because I don't want to open the headphones just yet. I'm gonna install a case for them, and then once I install everything, I can do another review on this at a later time. But for now, this is what it looks like. And we'll get the seal on this thing. Anyway, here you go. I'm not gonna open them, as I said. I'm just gonna install a protective case on them, and then I'll test them out and see how they are. Anyway, look for my video on YouTube, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.